Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited. Today I have my Boxycharm Boxyluxe for June. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that generally has 4 to 5 beauty products in it, hair care, skin care, makeup. That is $21 a month. But quarterly, and June being one of those months, if you have gotten off the wait list and can get the Boxyluxe, which I think most people can these days, it is another $28.99, bringing the total to $49.99. You get $250 or more dollars worth of product. They used to say 8 to 9 products, but I went on to look it up and they don't tell you how many products you're getting anymore. So I guess they don't want to commit to that. But I think that it's always great stuff and well worth the upgrade. But it is completely optional. And if you don't upgrade, you can still get a regular Boxycharm box this month. And those are always great too. Those have a $100 or more value and they're only $21. So, I mean, either way you win. But let's get in here and see what I got in my Boxyluxe for the month of June. I cannot lie. I have been watching people unbox their Boxyluxes and I have been so jealous. I'm so glad mine is finally here. So the theme is Boxycharm Getaway. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And I see that I have one of my products tucked in the back. Oop. Actually, it looks like several of my products are tucked in the back. The only thing that seems to be wrapped is this. So we get a paper with it, and that gives us the theme for the month. And on the back, it tells us each of the products that we've received and their value. So let's get into it and see what I got this month. As we can tell, right off the bat, in the back, I took out the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. And this is absolutely full-sized. It is 7.5 fluid ounces. Let's see what they say about it. Make some room on your vanity for the new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. I find those words awkward to say in that order. This styling spray creates instant volume and texture, and that's almost as light as air for big, lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection, it's silicone-free and safe for colored and chemically treated hair, and has a $29 value. Shall we spray some and see what happens? Let's lift this and see if I can get this some height. Woo! They are not kidding about the blast situation. Wow! Oh, it smells fantastic. Do I have volume now? Whew, let's put some on this side. Can't get enough volume. Oh, I'm here to tell you. Blast. I see why they named it that. Okay. I don't know if I look like I have any more volume or not, but I can tell you that it smells very nice. Next, I took out of the box this PYT, which is in a pretty little silky bag. I happen to know what it is. We all got one, so the only thing I don't know is what color did I get? I'm so excited. I got the coral. I wanted this because when we got our PYT tiny little travel flat irons not too long ago, I got the pink and I thought this would look cutest next to it. It is so cute. It's like it's for children. It's like a little toy one. I can't wait to see how it works. It comes with 2 accessories, a nozzle for, directional nozzle, and a diffuser, which as you can imagine, I don't have a lot of use for, but I will keep it around in case one of the grandbabies is here and needs it. So exciting. It's so cute. I can't even tell you how happy I am that I got the coral. Let's see what they say about it. Your new PYT Mini Turbo On-the-Go Dryer is powerful, portable, lightweight, and easy to use. Not only will it decrease your drying time, but reduce frizz and lock in moisture. So that's fantastic. $85 value. Wow. That is not an inexpensive travel blow dryer, but it's so cute. Let's see. I wanted to see what it had. So it just has an on and an off button. So that's the only control that you have. Very nice. Next, I have the Tarte BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. And I actually chose this for the first time. What they did with Boxyluxe this month is they let you choose one of your products, and you could have chosen this or a palette that had blushes and bronzers in it, and I'm using that Cover FX one that we got and love it. And I love the Tarte eyeshadow palettes. I know some have less payoff than others, and I know that some have lots of sparkle and no mattes, but this one, which is really pretty, has mattes in it too. And those are so nice and neutral. And the neutrals look pretty cool. So with my cool skin, I thought it would just be a great match. Let me tell you that it looks like the pink, this light beige, and this darker beige and this darker brown are your mattes. And the others are just shimmers. And they're so pretty. Let's swatch a few and see if they have any good color. I will just do the 4 on top first. Right across my hand. They're so pretty. I like them a lot. They're very pretty. All right, in the next 4 colors, I stopped to take the colors off my hands so that I could use the same hand again. Well, these are going to be harder to see because these are the mattes. But see how light they are? And I am so light that those colors are they're just going to be fantastic for me. For casual days, I will love them. Oh, and the eyeshadow palette, packed with 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte shades. Yeah, I guessed right. Your new Tarte Be You Naturally palette is everything you need to create endless natural looks. See, that's what I'm saying. This is going to be great for just natural summer looks. I'm going to love it. Cool pinks, rich bronze, brown tones, $36 value. Okay, next we have the No Problem Prime Essence. I am so excited to try this. I know I've probably said it so many times on here. You guys are probably like, Catherine, we get it, okay? I love the No Problem Touch and Soul that we got in our box. So oh, this is wet. I am so anxious to try another product from them. Okay, let's read what this says before I pour it out and do something wrong. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract. The primer tightens up your pores to keep your skin silky smooth, and this has a $23 value. So let's pour it out and see how fast oh, I've seen some people really pour it out, and you absolutely don't have to do that. As you can see, I just dropped a couple of drops on the back of my hand. I'm really glad. I was afraid that, you know, they've really done a lot of social media where they squeeze it out and it just comes pouring out. And I thought, oh no, what if I have no control? But, oh, it feels so good. It's kind of a cross between a primer with a little bit of slip and just water. It's just absorbed right into my skin. I think that the pores on the back of that hand look less than the pores on the back of this hand. I'm telling you, it's going to be another great No Problem product. I love their products. Should try more. It's a little bit tacky, has just a little bit of tacky to it. So I don't know once you makeup over it. I suspect it'll be gone, but I will for sure get back to you on, you know, I will tell you what I think about these No Problem products. So I like it a lot. It has no real scent, which is really nice. The problem that a lot of people have with the other No Problem product is that it has fragrance in it. And surprisingly, with my super sensitive skin, I've had no problem with it. I haven't had any rashiness from it or anything. So let's get in here and see what is next. Oh, I've seen other people open this. I was hoping I would get it. It is the Trestique mascara. And the claim to fame of this mascara is it has a little eyelash curler at the top. Flip down to curl. So you flip this down and then you can just, now there's no way all of my lashes are fitting in this section. So I don't know if some people maybe just do the middles or if you just take it in sections, but I will for sure be giving this a try. I have so many mascaras I'm waiting to use that I'm not going to open this because I'm not sure I'm going to use this next. But I follow that rule of switch out your mascara every 3 months. And I usually keep a couple going during that 3-month time period because I have some that are longer and some that are more volumizing, and I just try a lot because we get so many. But the end of June is the end of this cycle, so then I will whip out a couple more, and I might try this because this is absolutely intriguing. Let's see what they say about it. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool and lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. It's the first of its kind, $25. So, I mean, $25 is what a quality mascara tends to cost around anyway, so that'll be fun to try. Okay, what is next? Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. I am on the fence about this. I am not going to pump it out because I'm not sure I'm going to keep it. You know, if you know me and you follow my channel, you know the words AHA Resurfacing Night Serum make me crazy nervous. I am so sensitive that there are so few of these type of products that I can use that I am going to do more research on this, see what other people think about it before I get into it. But this says, the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with 14% AHA BHA Gentle Flower Acids blend, you get youthful looking, smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. $58. Lots of words in there make me nervous, and I think probably I can find a better home for this than me, so I'm not going to pump it unless I get out there and find a lot of people with sensitive skin saying, oh my gosh, I could use this and it was fantastic. I will probably pass that along, whether it's to a friend or maybe in my giveaway, because I am getting so close to 1,000. Okay, next I have the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. Isn't chlorophyll something to do with plants? What they breathe or what they eat? Or okay, I'm not Bill Nye the Science Guy. Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic, powered by Biotic. Was I saying bionic? I hope I was saying biotic, although bionic would be fun. Powered by Biotic Balancing Complex, this prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Let the plants do the dirty work. $35. I generally, if it's a Dr. Brandt product that I can use, I like it. Like we got an under eye that I love. I've had like their microdermabrasion that everybody else loves. As you can imagine, I cannot begin to use. This yogurt cleanser absolutely sounds like something I can use and would love to try. So I am anxious to try that. I stick with my Purity as the day-to-day, but I've also been trying the Paris Hilton that we've received. And we got that Glam Glow Bubble Cleanser that I have been using with absolutely no problem. I really like the way it cleanses, so I'm really happy with that one. Okay, what else have we got? Oh yay, Skin & Co. I am loving mists this summer. So it is the Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew, and it is 4.6 ounces. Let's see what they say about it. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's water, a magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice. Enriched with antioxidant, soothing, and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and rose, this refreshing mist encourages a radiant complexion while rebalancing the skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. $35. Whenever anything says illuminate, I tend to go a little bit because whatever they're choosing to do for illumination. But you know what? I have makeup on and I don't know that I used one of my 8 million setting sprays that I love. So let's use this one. You know what? Okay. Oh, it smells. Oh, you can smell the peppermint. It smells really nice. It doesn't even begin to smell like truffle. The overarching smell of it is definitely the peppermint. So we will see how that does on my face. I will report back. Okay, and last but not least, I have the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. I am so excited to try this. I got it in Strawberry Lemonade. I have to tell you, if I had put my box together from the choices that we had this month, I would have put together the exact box that I got. First was the Tarte, and you could have gotten this or the face, and they let us choose, so I chose this. This was another variation that you could have gotten this or a body cream. I was happy to get either. I love body creams, but I really am all about the mist this summer, so I'm really happy I got this. And I think everyone got this lippy, but there were color choices, and this is the Strawberry Lemonade, and in the pictures, this looked pinker. It is. It's super pink. And the other option that I've seen everybody unbox is something tea. peach tea, I think. And it's got a real nudie, beigey, or I don't want to say orange because it's not orange, but it's got a more warm tone to it. And I was like, oh, I hope I get the strawberry one. It smells delicious. Although it's interesting, it smells like a really good cupcake that you're like, okay, thank you. Yes, I would like a cupcake. Interesting that they would name something lemonade and not make it lemonade scented. I don't think I want to put it over this really dark lip that I have on now and risk, because I'm just going to keep this around just to use like it stands all summer long as just a really pretty pink lip gloss. I love lip glosses. You know, when I'm running to the pool this summer or to do anything else fun, it'll be so nice to have this really natural eye palette and this natural pink lip gloss to just, so that I look like I did something, but I'm not too made up. I am so happy with this box, guys. I can't even tell you. What I can tell you, though, is what they say about this lip gloss. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight, non-sticky, balm-like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. $17. This was a great box. I don't know that I've ever been happier with a Boxycharm box. I am happy to try all of these products. The only thing that I think I will probably pass along, and granted, it's one of the bigger values in here, but the blow dryer they say is $85. And even if it's not, the box costs $49. And my box has a $342 value. $49.99. You don't have to love it all. You can be willing to gift this, and you still way more than get your money's worth. I love it. Good job, Boxycharm. So this was the Boxycharm Getaway. I would love to know if you're as happy with what you received as I am with what I received. Did you choose the eyeshadow or one of the face palettes? I felt like I was kind of out there on an island choosing the eyeshadow palette. I think a lot of people chose the face palette. And have you used this yet? What did you think? Was it aggressive? Please let me know if you've used this product, the Honeymoon Glow from Pharmacy. I would sure love to know what people think about it before I even think about whether I'm going to try this on my face or not. Because if I try it and I can't use it and somebody that I love doesn't want to use it, I can't just give it away. So I feel like I would love to give it away to somebody who would use it. Oh, and if you've been thinking about signing up with Boxycharm, if you sign up in the month of June, they are sending you, while supplies last, a Becca Cosmetics Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer that looks so cool. And whoever you sign up under receives one too. So if you have a friend or a family member you want to sign up under, or if you don't, I have my link down below. It's a great month to do it. I just wanted to let you guys know. Thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming up. And I appreciate you guys so much. I'll see you really soon. Bye.